Hello everyone, again welcome again. Today we are exploring something amazing in newly designs of felt crafts and beautiful ornaments making beneficial of felt crafts. Felt crafts isn't just a hobby, it's a mindful, relaxing and creative journey that helps us slow down and reconnect with our inner calm. Whether you are designing tiny ornaments, cute flowers or decorative wall hangings, felt brings softness, joy and endless possibilities. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin this beautiful creative time together. Felt is a beginner friendly fabric that doesn't fray, making it perfect for crafting simple yet elegant ornaments. You can start with a small designs like mini X-Max ornaments, felt flowers and leaves, cute animals and shapes, heart keychains and hanging mobiles. All you need is फेल्ट क्राफ्ट से आप बहुत कुछ इजीली घर में बना सकते हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से और आप अपने किड्स के साथ एक क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं. किड्स वांट टू डू समथिंग न्यू एंड डिफरेंट, so you can make it with your kids and create something new, create something beautiful ornaments with them. It's really very beneficial and helpful for everyone who wants to create something new and different with their family and also want to spend a quality time with their family too. So in this video आप देख सकते हैं all you need is felt craft, some colorful felt sheets, a pair of scissors, needle and thread or glue, and of course your creativity. Felt craft also felt craft are simple enough for kids and relaxing for adults, a wonderful family activity for weekends or holiday. Hope you're enjoying this very well and very beautifully. Crafting with felt isn't only about making pretty things, it's about slowing down as you cut, stitch and shape your felt piece. Notice that softness between your fingers and rhythm of your breath and the flow of your thoughts. This mindful process helps reduce stress and anxiety when your mind focuses on the small gentle movement of crafting. You enter a peaceful meditative state similar to yoga or deep breathing. It's a moment of stillness in a busy world. So enjoy the calm that comes with every stitch and let each creation remind you to stay present and grateful. Did you know that crafting can actually improve mental health? Studies shows that hands-on creative activities increase serotonin, the happiness chemical in our brain. When you make felt ornaments, your stress level go down. You boost focus and patience. You feel more patience, accomplish, enjoy. Crafting can even help children develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. For adults, it's a beautiful way to express feelings without words through colors, textures, and imagination. It's truly art therapy in your own hands. Once you start enjoying felt craft, you can share your creations with others as gifts, small business products, or decor for your own home. You can sell your handmade ornaments online or at craft fairs. Offers custom designs for birthday, wedding, or Xmas event, or simply gift them to friend. A handmade present always carries warmth and more love. The more you practice, the more creative ideas will bloom. Each piece you create, holiday, a little piece of your soul, something truly special that machines can never replace. So today, as you make your next felt flower or ornament, remember you are not just crafting, you are caring for your mood, body and soul. Felt crafting is a gentle reminder that beauty grows from patience and joy. Take this calm, creative energy with you and let it brighten your day. Hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs, and we are really want to do something for our viewers and subscribers. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We try to bring amazing and unique design for you. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We try to bring more and beautiful design for our viewers. God bless you all. Have a very nice, beautiful journey. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, crafting, togetherness, what you want to have in your life, you will have. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you to be a part of this journey. And we want to create something new and beautifully designed, beautiful creations. Thank you for joining us today. Bless you all. Take care. And wishing you a very, very happy festival. Keep growing something creative. Keep doing something creative. God bless you all. Take care. We want you to be happy and keep spending quality time with your kids. Let them do what they want to do. Take care. Stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you want to create something new. So